Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the topic how to create global macro variables and local macro variable at a time. In this case, we have to use data underscore null applications and using either X variable or a data set and using calls input X function. Calls input X function default creates only global macro variables, but we have to create local macro variables also. In this case, we have to mention capital L with quotation. It creates local macro variables. I have to run this. Yes, to create, but in this case, we have to mention also G, but this is the optional only. This is not a mandatory, but this is the mandatory for creating local macro variables. This is the simple question. How to create global macro variables and local macro variable create at a time from using either data set or a variable. We have to use calls input X function. It default creates only global macro variables. That's why we have to create local macro variables by using capital with quotation. With quotation. This is in this case it is the not a mandatory. This is optional for creates global macro variables, but this is mandatory. Capital L is the mandatory for creating local macro variables. Okay, this is the simple question. Okay, bye bye.